Hi, I'm Nadawa from Paperflow Designs, and I like to do drawing tutorials, and tonight is going to be about how to draw a Santa Claus. So let's get started. I'm going to first use the calligraphy tool. So I've opened up Inkscape, and I'll go over here and tap on the calligraphy tool, which I already have my settings set up the way that I want. If you want to know what the settings are, you can just scroll down and I'll have all of the information in the notes for you. I'm going to draw his nose. So I'll start by making a sideways C, just like that. And then I'll draw his eyes. I'll make another semicircle inside those circles. And then I'm going to give him two eyebrows. So I'm going to use like the number 3 shape. And I'll just pretend there's a little rectangle here. And I'm just going to keep making those number 3 shapes to draw in his eyebrows. So it's going to be a little irregular, and that's fine. That's what I want. So now that I've got most of his face done, I'm going to draw the beard. I'm not going to give him a mouth just yet. I'll put the mouth in after I draw the beard. So I'll come on the side of the nose, and I'll just make a little upside down 3 shape, like this. And then I want to keep going. There we go. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. And now I'm going to close that beard up. There we go. A nice full beard for Santa. And I'll just draw a little smile for him. There you go. Now we're going to start making the top of his hat. Alright, we'll make Santa's hat. So I'll start just about where the top of the beard is. There we go. And then we're going to take the size of his hat. Slide that down so you can see a little better. I'll add a pom-pom to the end of his hat. And now we're done with our Santa Claus face. Hope you liked it.